Unlocking the Secrets of Herbal Lore. Hello, everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an intriguing phrase in the English language, herbal lore. This term may sound a bit mystical, but it's actually quite fascinating once you understand it. So, let's explore what herbal lore really means and why it's an interesting part of the English language. Get ready to enhance your vocabulary and knowledge. The phrase, herbal lore, is made up of two words, herbal and lore. Let's break these down. Herbal. This word refers to anything related to herbs. Herbs are plants with savory or aromatic properties, often used in cooking, medicine, or as fragrances. Lore. Lore is a less common word. It means the body of knowledge or tradition passed down, often orally, from generation to generation. It encompasses stories, facts, and beliefs about a particular subject. When combined, herbal lore refers to the traditional knowledge and wisdom about herbs, including their uses, benefits, and historical significance. Herbal lore is significant for several reasons. 1. Cultural significance. It's a part of many cultures' histories, reflecting ancient practices and beliefs. 2. Medical history. Much of modern medicine has roots in herbal lore, with many drugs being derived from plants. 3. Natural remedies. It includes knowledge about using herbs for healing, cooking, and wellness. 4. Preservation of knowledge. Understanding herbal lore helps in preserving traditional knowledge that might otherwise be lost. To bring this concept to life, let's look at some examples. Lavender, known for its calming properties, lavender is often used in aromatherapy. The lore around lavender includes its use for relaxation and aiding sleep. Ginger. In many cultures, ginger is hailed for its digestive properties. The lore includes using ginger to treat nausea and stomach issues. Mint. Mint is renowned for its refreshing taste and smell. Herbal lore tells of its use for soothing headaches and cooling the body. And there you have it, a journey through the fascinating world of herbal lore. We hope this video has not only expanded your English vocabulary but also given you a glimpse into the rich tapestry of knowledge surrounding herbs. Remember, language is a window to history, culture, and so much more. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.